Are you looking for a powerful and compact blender that makes your kitchen life easier? Let me introduce you to the Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus Compact Personal Blender, a versatile and efficient kitchen gadget designed for your busy lifestyle. This blender packs a punch with its 900 peak watt motor base, effortlessly powering through ice, fruits, and veggies to deliver perfectly blended drinks and nutrient-packed creations. The Pro Extractor Blades assembly takes blending to the next level, easily breaking down whole fruits and vegetables into smooth, nutrient-rich extractions. Whether it's frozen drinks, smoothies, or sauces, this blender handles it all with ease. One of the standout features is the blend-to-go convenience. The Ninja BN301 comes with 320 O's, to-go cups. Blend directly in the cup, twist on the spout lid, and you're ready to enjoy your smoothie on the go. Plus, if you need to store your blends, the included storage lid has you covered. For added inspiration, the blender comes with a 20 recipe guide, giving you plenty of ideas for delicious smoothies, shakes, and more. And cleaning up is hassle-free, thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts, including cups, lids, and the blade assembly. Here's the best part. This blender is currently 20% off, making it an even better value. And since this is an honest review, let me be clear. I earn just a few cents if you purchase through my link, but I wouldn't recommend anything that wastes your hard-earned money. This blender is a reliable, high-quality product that delivers exactly what it promises. Ready to take your blending game to the next level without breaking the bank? Click the link in the description to grab your Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus at this amazing discounted price today.